Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Okta Verify for mobile authentication flows step by step clearly. To get started, ensure that you have a compatible smartphone. Open your device's App Store. For iOS users, launch the Apple App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Okta Verify. Locate the Okta Verify app in the search results. Tap the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the Okta Verify app. You will see a welcome screen. Tap Get Started. If prompted, read and accept any necessary permissions. Next, you will need to sign in with your Okta account. Enter your Okta username and password, then tap Sign In. Follow any additional authentication steps if required. After successfully logging in, tap on the Add Account button. You will then see a QR code scanner. On your computer or tablet, log in to your Okta dashboard. Locate your account settings or security settings. Look for the option to set up mobile authentication. You should see a QR code displayed. Return to your mobile device and point the Okta Verify scanner at the QR code. The app will capture the QR code and link your account. After linking, Okta Verify will generate a verification code. Keep this app open, as you will need it for future logins. To use Okta Verify, log in to your Okta account as usual. When prompted for the verification code, open the app. Enter the current code displayed in Okta Verify. Your login will be successfully authenticated. Congratulations, you have now set up Okta Verify for mobile authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.